Hey guys, this is Doc Neo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a special day because we are going to be unboxing the DJI Osmo Nano. So this is the ultra portable camera that is perfect for vlogging, I think. Okay, so right now I'm using the Osmo Pocket 3, but this camera offers more versatility kasi it's very less in your face, kumbaga mas discreet siya when you're into vlogging and nahihiya ka in public. So it comes in this very small box. Sa front is nandyan yung anong tawag dito, yung picture of what's inside. This is the camera and ito yung multifunctional, anong term nila dito, basta anyway, that's the screen. And at the back, things that's inside, but we'll get to the chase, cut the chase, and cut the chase, whatever. Anyway, ayan, in-box na natin. Parang Apple na rin yung yung feeling. Wait lang, oops, hindi pa rin. So I think kailangan gamitin natin ang ating golden scissors. Okay. Ba, ayaw pa rin hindi aligned yung sticker masyado. But anyway, so there you go. So unboxing na naman to guys. I just want to show you what's inside. So out of the box, this is the unit. We'll set it aside. Tapos there's the carton box. Syempre, there are stickers again, like before. And syempre, there are documentations, guys, that is inside. Hindi ko mahila. Or let's skip that. Nobody reads them anyway. So, inside is yung kanyang USB-C to USB-C. Meron siyang this is the magnetic necklace. Ayan. So, ayan. Yun siya guys. Tapos, this is adjustable. Ayan. Na-adjust siya. Ayan. This is what you put under your shirt. And then, where you attach the camera magnetically for some POV shots. Meron siyang suction attachment. So ito guys, although I'm not very comfortable with this. Tingnan. Yeah, wala mo na siyang pan-tighten. Talagang pwedeng i-tighten. So ididiin mo, tapos iti-twist mo, tapos you kind of just loosen it and then pull it up. Or no, it doesn't work like that. Yung suction niya is just yung pressure lang talaga. So I'm not very confident with this. Ilagay mo sa kotse, sa labas, for example, kasi feeling ko madali siyang matanggal. And you have this one. So parang combo pack na rin siya guys. Ang galing kasya siya dun sa small box na yun. This is the clip that you can use on your cap. And then tiltable siya. Attach mo siya sa cap mo. And okay, there are other creative ways. Ito naman guys, grabe, lakas ng magnet niya. In fairness. Ayan. Tapos ang maganda kasi sa Osmo ecosystem is if you have other attachments sa other Osmo products mo, ayan, you can use them. And then meron siyang protective casing, which I will definitely use. So this is the protective case. Nice. Tapos sige, buksan na natin. This is the camera itself. So ayan, it's made of plastic na kind of transparent. And then it's just the size of my thumb. So ayan, it's very lightweight naman guys. Patanggalin na natin to. Okay. And then yung sa lens, which I know is, ayan, may DJI branding siya. So, mas obvious siya as compared sa Osmo 360 Ultra. Ayan, tapos, I know this is replaceable, yung lens, in case in case you break it. Tsaka, so that's it. Ayan, so ipasok na natin dito. Paano ba siya? I think I have to remove this. So, ayan guys, yung lens. I think we have to, yeah, like that. And then, I'm not sure if kung gawin yon, but yeah. Pwede na sigurong hindi. You just did the extra step. Pero satisfying yung yung mga magnetic, pagkabit niya magnetically. Yan, hindi ko tuloy alam kung na-shoot ko ng completely. Sige, tanggalin na lang natin. Ayan, let's tighten it. Hindi pala kailangan tanggalin yung guys. I'm connecting this. Ayan, so nasanay tayo sa sa Nintendo Switch, that satisfying snap. Tapos ito yung parang kanyang screen. Ooh. Ayan guys. And then, it magnetically snaps like that. And if you want to remove it, you have to press both. So ayan, out of the bat, may lumabas na na battery. Meron 59% yung screen, tapos 0% yung camera. So, charge muna natin. But anyway, I try to power it on. So, this yung Osmo. So, this is the setup. Touchscreen lang talaga siya. Tapos, I'm gonna cut the video for now. I have to register it. And ayun, unboxing lang naman to guys. What's inside the DJI Osmo Nano. And then maybe I can make some more videos kung okay siyang gamitin. So again, this is Doc Neo saying, be informed, stay inspired. I'll see you in my next unboxing. Bye guys!